Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal for online shopping. First, create a free PayPal account on their official website or mobile app. This process takes only a few minutes. Next, link a payment method such as your bank account, a debit card, or a credit card to your PayPal wallet. This step is crucial for funding your purchases. Finally, verify your email address and all linked financial instruments to ensure your account is secure and ready for seamless online transactions. When you're ready to shop online, simply look for the familiar PayPal logo at checkout. Millions of online stores accept PayPal, making it a widely available option. Once you've added items to your cart, proceed to checkout and select PayPal as your preferred payment method. You'll then be securely redirected to log into your PayPal account to review and confirm your purchase details. It's a quick and easy way to complete your transactions. One of the biggest advantages of using PayPal is its robust security. Your sensitive financial information, like bank account or credit card numbers, is encrypted and never shared directly with sellers. Plus, PayPal offers buyer protection on eligible purchases. If an item doesn't arrive or isn't as described, you can report the issue within 180 days of your purchase. This provides an extra layer of confidence when shopping online. To make your shopping even smoother, consider enabling PayPal One Touch. This feature allows for faster checkouts on trusted devices without needing to log in every time. Beyond shopping, you can also use PayPal to send money to friends and family securely, often without fees if using your PayPal balance. Always remember to regularly monitor your transaction history to quickly spot and address any unauthorized activity, ensuring your account remains safe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.